Hey guys, what's up? Hope you liked the last video. We're kind of in a learning curve here. We don't know really what we're doing, so it's okay, but whatever, like, we're gonna learn.
We have no experience. We're just two guys who like cars working on stuff, and we're just making do with what we have.
Vlogs. We're just trying to do vlogs what we're doing.
Keep you guys updated and everything, and because that's what we do. Hang out,
Yeah.
build our cars, work on stuff. Thought you guys might want to
Enjoy it. Like,
yeah,
we
enjoy it. See what we're doing.
Yeah.
Keep up with us and everything, and
So yeah, we'll try and update you on the tool shed. We might have some other projects coming along soon.
I've got some projects gotta get started.
He's got a couple cars. We got the golf cart too, like Golf R. We got a Cutlass so we can put in there. We got a Camaro.
The ATS.
The ATS, yep.
Already started that build. Got some more things I want to do to it.
Yep, stage 1 ready, right?
Stage 1 already. I'm going to put the exhaust on it soon.
Yeah. And we got the DRZ, which is to your right. You can't see it, but that's going to be part of it too, hopefully.
And yeah, guys, like we were saying, we're starting out. We don't really know what the hell we're doing. So
Yeah.
if you guys have any, comments or anything to help us, input to improve the videos, by all means, guys, let us know, because we want to make better content for you guys that you can enjoy.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're not gonna take it personally. This is all learning experience for us, right, guys?
Throw us anything.
Yeah, throw us anything you want, and we'll try to incorporate and make our videos better for you guys.
Leave a comment, like, subscribe if you want. Be sick if you did. It helped us out a lot. So.
To know you guys are actually interested, and we're not doing this for nothing. You guys are actually enjoying it and everything.
So,
Yeah.
All right.
And oh yeah, our Instagram page. You guys gotta follow us there at Zero Prep Garage.
Yep.
We're gonna post our builds, the new cars and everything, and all the cars we're working on. We're gonna keep you updated on that, and some big collection, and you can see the progress. And yeah.
You'll see the progress in the videos, but that's nice to see too in the pictures.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah, maybe some stories on Instagram too.
Yeah, so maybe even some live videos.
Yeah,
if
live.
you're doing something really like a fire up or something,
Yeah.
we'll do some live videos.
Yeah. All right. Well, thanks.
Yeah.
Peace out.
See you, YouTube.
Got the tools.
Damn.
What's up, YouTube? A little chilly out today. Oh, there's the golf cart. What's up, Steve?
Hey, man.
What you doing? Oh yeah, there it is. Shit. That's the car that the 2J's going in. 71 Chevelle. Yeah, pretty basic. I don't know, not much to really say about it. Maybe we'll start it up. It's got a 12-bolt rear end, turbo 350 tranny. Well, maybe we'll start it up. Try and start it up. It's pretty cold. Probably negative 15 Celsius. So. Sounds alright. Yeah, so that's what's gonna be the car for the motor. Alright, YouTube, we're back in the tool shed. We got Steve again. Look at this guy. We got Lucas.
Yeah, I think his name's Lucas.
Yeah. We're gonna take probably the valve covers off, cam gears, hopefully the top end. Maybe leave the
Maybe even the oil pan.
We'll
Check out what the crank's looking like.
Yeah, we'll see. Yeah. Yep.
Yep.
And then we'll try and stop and explain stuff as we go. I know our last video didn't really have that, but
that was all boring stuff. Now we're getting into the
now we're getting into
the
stuff that
intense,
actually matters.
exciting
Who gives a
stuff.
shit about the other stuff? So.
Yeah.
All right. We'll try and time lapse again, and we'll stop when we can. Alright, we're gonna pull the crank pulley and the harmonic balancer, and we're gonna get this front cover off, and then we're gonna get the cam gears off. We'll hopefully get the cams out today. And then maybe the head.
There she goes.
Never does.
So that's gotta be a new record for pulling a pulley.
Alright, so we got the balancer off and the crank pulley. Now we're going to take the cam and the timing cover off. Alright, there she is. Ran into a snag. We don't have a big enough Allen key to take this cam gear off. And you can't take the water pump off without taking the cover off for the cam gears. So we're gonna go get a Allen key that fits, and then we'll be back. Got the tools. What's up, YouTube? So last night, Stevie and I and Lucas, we got her down to this point, pretty much. Now, for some reason we couldn't get this off, but we need a bigger wrench to hold the cam. You have to hold the cam just to get that pulley off, and it's on there good. So we tried our best, and we got most of the front assembly off. Take a look at the cams. They're looking pretty good. Not too much wear, bit of residue, but nothing heavy. It's pretty good. Looking pretty good. So yeah, just leave it at that, I guess. Next video, hopefully we'll get the cams out and the head off, and then maybe we'll try and get the pan off. I really want to look at that crank, see how it looks on the bottom end. I want to get down to the short block, take everything apart, send that block away for machining, boring. Got to bore 5 over because I got pistons for 5 over, and got to get rods for it and everything. Maybe next video I'll show you the pistons I bought. Got them for a pretty good deal, better than I would online, because Canada you got to pay a lot of duties, and a lot of the parts are from the States, so it costs a lot of money. So anyways, yeah, that's it, I guess. Thanks for watching, and subscribe, leave a like. Yeah, thanks.